Unboxing the Yealink W53P. This is a fantastic phone and it's very easy to use and very easy to unbox. You get your handset first, and then you also get your base station inside the box, as well as a few extras. Just put that out of the way. So the first thing you have to do is you have to take the battery out. This battery is for the handset. It usually has a small charge into it, but before you can really actively use the phone, you'll have to charge the phone for a few minutes. The battery has 3 connection points over there, and the battery fits into the phone like this, very much like a cell phone battery used to fit into phones in the old days. This is a cover that goes into the back, and this cover squeezes in very tightly. As it squeezes in, it locks into place. I'm not going to squeeze it in now because this phone is still brand new. This is a charging station for the phone, and the phone fits into the charging station like that. And this is the power supply that we will use to charge the phone. The power supply plugs into the back of the charging station like that, and plug it into power. There we go. So that one's on and it's charging. There's the second power supply that we will use for the base station. There is a little clip that you can clip onto the back of the phone. This will help you to be able to carry the phone around. There we go. Fits like that, and remember the cover is now missing because this is a brand new phone. This is a wall mount that you can use for the base station. And the base station is basically the brains of the phone. This is the thing that does all the thinking. You can connect more than one of these handsets to this base station, and the programming gets done by us. When we send it to you, all you have to do is plug it in. So this base station has an identical charger to the one that we use on the handset. You don't have to worry about which one goes where. And this one, in fact, I can just unplug it over there and plug it in here. There we go. It's where the power goes into the round hole, and you'll see there's one light that goes on, and that light is for showing you that it has power. The second cable is the LAN cable. The LAN cable goes into the back of the device over there, as you can see, and this part of the LAN cable, the leftover part, that should go into your router. It will flash like that to show you that there is no connection. Once you plug it into your router, it will stop flashing and it will connect. The third light is to show you that the phone is also connected. So if your device is functioning correctly, all 3 lights must stay green, none of them must flash. And that's it. This is, as I said, just a wall mount that goes into the back of the phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.